us. The question is you have come and you have assessed the demolition that has taken place in Kogilu. What is your assessment right now, sir?
Around 200 houses were demolished, totally demolished. Even the students have not permitted to take their textbook. They are the students. They are not permitted to take even their textbook. The bulldozer came in the early morning. Government is claiming that the notices had been issued to the concerned parties. If it's so, why didn't they come in the early morning? Why don't they come to here in the daytime? Why? Why didn't they come in the daytime?
What is Kerala's involvement in this issue, especially in Bangalore and Karnataka? Because
Not
till
only
now
in
is not a
Bangalore,
single- there
not-
is not a single Malayali here, but there are a lot of minorities here. So it's being looked as largely to see whether Kerala, especially which is run by the LDF right now, is looking at minority vote bank politics here.
No. When this type of activity occurred in Delhi, our people went there, especially our Politburo member, Brinda Karat, who visited that places and he came forward to criticize, to protect the minorities there.
What
It is the duty of a citizen in India. That is, we are doing.
The Karnataka government is run by the Congress here.
Yeah.
And Mr. D.K. Shukma, the Deputy Chief Minister, has asked Kerala not to involve in Karnataka's administration. And they've said that this is an issue where this is an illegal encroachment. They have been given enough notices. And now they have gone ahead because there is a need and there are a lot of migrants here.
Yeah. If it had illegal constructions, how they got electricity, they got ration card, voter card, Aadhaar card, and water facility. If all these are illegal constructions, how and why it happened? They have ration card, they have ID card, Aadhaar card.
The question is you have come and you have assessed the demolition that has taken place in Kogilu. What is your assessment right now, sir?
Around 200 houses were demolished, totally demolished. Even the students have not permitted to take their